Hello students, my name is Udara Soisa, attorney at law and an experienced senior lecturer with University of London programs here in Sri Lanka as well as in Singapore for over 10 years. So my advice is obviously for you to join the classes, not necessarily just before the exam. If you start early, you'll be able to get a lot of content. We plan to do textbooks. We've always been doing that. Textbooks, subject guide, obviously a lot of notes, past paper questions, exam reports, and we tailor these classes with creating grids that can be applied for exam questions. Right? So if you make a proper grid with all the relevant materials at the exam, all you have to do is to understand the question and analyze. And we indeed practice this analysis in our classes. Right? So practicing before the exam with similar exam scenarios, with the grids, with relevant materials, relevant cases. We do a lot of authors, a lot of judges, so important. We'll easily give you a 60 mark. So please contact the numbers in the screen. Join us for your classes and all the best for your exams. Hope that you'll join for either Zoom classes or physical classes here in Sri Lanka. Zoom classes are available for all the international students in both English, right, and obviously in Sinhalese as well. So hope to join and hope I can help you to pass and rock your exams. All the best, students. The final part, the fourth part for a general negligence question is forcibility. It means remoteness. So there's an earlier case of Paul miss. Right now, you have to put the wagon mount number 2. The remoteness test is based on the legal theory of forcibility. Are the damages forcible? Right? Is it forcible if a driver like myself making a video while driving, there could be an accident? Indeed, it is forcible. Right? So forcibility, when we discuss remoteness, what is important here is forcibility. Remember, the new test for remoteness is not in Paul miss test. It is the wagon mount number 2 case, so must study this case. So remoteness equals to forcibility as you see in the screen. Right? So again, to summarize, you must establish the duty of care, figure out whether it's a fixed duty or an hour situation. Then you must argue based on objective standards whether the duty has been breached. Thirdly, figure out a causal connection between the breach and the damages. Finally, check whether the damages are not right, whether the damages are forcible, meaning whether it is not remote. So if you can establish all these 4 factors together with a good analysis, you can get a full mark for general negligence question, which is often linked to other questions. So make sure you go through your subject guide, divide the general negligence question into 4 parts and apply all the 4 parts in a given scenario within to the content of your subject guide and your textbook to the context of the question given, and make sure you analyze everything. All the best for your general negligence question. I am sure that you can use this information to get a good mark. All the best.